Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty of Life. I'm here with another new video for you. In this video today we will learn about another new letter, new sound and more new words. So are you ready everyone? Then let's start. Look at this picture. Do you know which letter is this? Yes, this is letter R. Say everyone, letter R. Do you know what is the sound of letter R? The sound of letter R is R. Make the sound R. We need one standing line, one curved line and one slanting line for letter R. Now we will learn some words for letter R. Are you ready? Let's start. R for rock. R for rock. R for robot. R for robot. R for rose. R for rose. R for ring. R for ring. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. R for rat. R for rat. R for rickshaw. R for rickshaw. R for rain. R for rain. R for rocket. R for rocket. R for ribbon. R for ribbon. R for rattle. R for rattle. R for rainbow. R for rainbow. R for ride. R for ride. R for radio. R for radio. R for red. R for red. R for raincoat. R for raincoat. R for road. R for road. R for rectangle. R for rectangle. R for rectangular prism. R for rectangular prism. R for rhombus. R for rhombus. R for right triangle. R for right triangle. R for red cabbage. R for red cabbage. R for ridge god. R for ridge god. R for radish. R for radish. R for red chili. R for red chili. R for royal angelfish. R for royal angelfish. R for rhodaballo. R for rhodaballo. R for relatives. R for relatives. R for rest. R for rest. R for robber. R for robber. R for river. R for river. R for run. R for run. R for reindeer. R for reindeer. R for rope. R for rope. R for rooster. R for rooster. R for robin. R for robin. R for rag. R for rag. R for rice. R for rice. R for rhinosaur. R for rhinosaur. R for recycle. R for recycle. R for red bear. R for red bear. R for raccoon. R for raccoon. R for rosemary. R for rosemary. R for red currant. R for red currant. R for raspberry. R for raspberry. R for race. R for race. R for red bell pepper. R for red bell pepper. R for ring light. R for ring light. R for ropeway. R for ropeway. So these all are the R for words. यहाँ पे जितने भी वर्ड्स आपने सुना वो सारे वर्ड्स में आर का साउंड क्या आ रहा है? र. आर फॉर और भी बहुत सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं. जितना पॉसिबल हुआ है मुझसे मैंने आपको एक वीडियो में शेयर किया है आर फॉर वर्ड्स. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को एक लाइक कर दीजिएगा और बहुत सारे बेबीज़ तक इस वीडियो को पहुंचाने के लिए प्लीज़ वीडियो को शेयर कर दीजिए और ऐसे ही और वीडियोस पाने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. टेक केयर. बाय बाय.